Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to get an invoice from Shein. So the first step is to simply open Shein on your phone, and then you'll have to simply tap on me at the bottom of your screen. And then basically what you'll have to do next is simply tap on this customer support icon in the top right corner, so next to the scan button. And then here what you'll have to do next is simply scroll down and then simply tap on customer service. And then here you have to simply type in invoice. So let's type invoice. And then simply send the message. And then basically what you're gonna see here, basically you're gonna see all your products that you've just ordered. And then you have to simply tap on them in order to be able to get an invoice. So if you want either, you can simply click my orders and then simply click on invoice, as you can see here. So you'll have to go to order details and then simply tap on view invoice, and then you can simply download the invoice, or you can simply see it right here. But as you can see, I don't have any orders, so it's not gonna let me choose any products, but because I don't have any orders on Shein right now. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.